इसलिए हम लोग जहाँ पर गंगा के किनारे पर बैठे हुए हैं, बहुत बहुत निर्मल और पवित्र स्थान है। शास्त्र में कहा गया ये गंगा की तीर से लेकर के करीब 4 किलोमीटर है, 4 किलोमीटर तक भी जो प्राणी समूह वास करते हैं केवल गंगा की हवा से, जल की हवा से, वो भी मृत्यु के पश्चात साक्षात वैकुंठ धाम को प्राप्त करते हैं। गंगा गंगा नाम कह करके कोई उच्चारण करने से उसमें पाप भी नष्ट हो जाता है। तो इस प्रकार गंगा की महिमा सर्वत्र दिखाई इंग्लिश में, इसलिए गंगा की साधारण वस्तु नहीं है।
So Ganga ji is not an ordinary. It is the Charanamrit of Lord Hari. And in many other Puranas it is mentioned Ganga is Sakshat Viraja. She is always flowing, always from Nitya Golok Vrindavan Dham to perform the pastimes with Krishna. She manifested Kalpa Bhedeshu Harikatha. In different kalpas, the manifestation of Ganga has been different, and our Acharya Pad has been shown. Even Vyasdev and Goswamis have been mentioned this. In some kalpa, Lord Sri Vishnu's body sweat, and this sweat started to flow out from his lotus feet. At that time Lord Brahma himself collected this Charanamrit into his Kamandalu, a kind of jug, and that is called Ganga Jal in one kalpa. Ganga is also Sakhi of Lord Krishna. In Brahma Vaivarta Puran it is mentioned Ganga, she is the beloved Sakhi of Lord Krishna, where Lord Krishna performs many pastimes with Nikunja, in Nikunja. So Sridham so some two devotees were as a gatekeeper, Lord Krishna's eternal servant. When Srimati Radharani came to know that Krishna is spending his time with Ganga, then Srimati Radhika, she came fast running to that particular place, and the gatekeepers stopped Srimati Radhika. They did not allow Srimati Radhika to enter inside the Kunja. And she also cursed, "You both people not allowing me to meet with my beloved Krishna, so you both go and take birth in a demon family in the material world." And those two demons again asked the shelter of Srimati Radharani. And Srimati Radharani said, "Okay, I will come in Dwapar Yuga in the form of Vrishabhanu Nandini, and I will liberate you from your demonic body." So, in the book called Madhusmita Radha, Maharaj has mentioned all these pastimes. When Srimati Radhika came inside the Nikunja, she saw that Krishna and Ganga, they disappeared from there. So when they both disappeared, Srimati Radhika was so sad and said, and cursed Ganga, "Oh Ganga, you go and take birth in this material world.
ये कर
although being my Saki, without informing me, you are meeting Lord Krishna alone.
है। और उसी प्रकार करने पर
And by saying this, Srimati Ganga Devi in one form, she took birth in this material world.
सारे जगत के जो है उन्होंने जल के रूप में ब्रह्म
And in this world, she manifested herself as the water.
कथा भी है। फिर कृष्ण के बोलिए कृष्ण के हमारे साथ जो है बतलाना की है। ये मुझे कोई समाचार नहीं दे करके एकांत रूप में गंगा के साथ मिले तब तुम विभिन्न लोक में जाओ। और इस कथा के सुन करके कृष्ण भी राधा जी के कहने लगे।
And even Srimati Radharani said to Krishna, how you can meet my Saki alone and you also go to material world. So in this way each other cursed each other for relishing the Leela more.
ये समस्त लीला कथा से बहुत अनेकों कथाएं
So
हैं।
many of these Leelas are there as per the Kalpas in Vishnu Puran, Brahmavarta Puran, Brahmanda Puran,
हृदय
Radha Hriday and so many other scriptures.
पुराण आदि में ये समस्त कथा भी है। और महाराज जी कथा बोल
आप बोल दीजिए थोड़ा सा मार 10 मिनट।
श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री राधिका महाराज श्री गौरी भक्त हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे राम राम राम। तो अभी हम लोग हरिद्वार में श्री गंगा जी के
Now we are in Haridwar on the banks of Ganges,
महाराज जी की अनुकरण से
and now we heard from the lotus mouth of Sri Maharaj about the beautiful pastimes of Mother Ganges.
थोड़ी देर के लिए गंगा जी की महिमा करता हूँ।
So Maharaj ji
सुनाऊंगा।
ordered me to speak Harikatha, so I will tell you.
शास्त्र में दिया गया है
In
कि
Shastras,
गंगे गंगे इति जो व्रियात
Gange Gange iti jo vriyat. In this particular shloka,
केवल गंगे गंगे
just by telling this Ganga Ganga, just by calling the name of this Ganga,
यानी 100 योजन दूरी से हजारों योजन दूरी से अगर
from 100 yojan, from 100 miles, from 1000 miles,
तो मुंचन
far from the Ganges,
उसका सारा
if anyone recites this name Ganges, all his
यानी
sinful activities will get rid and he will attain the abode of Lord Vishnu.
फिर भगवत धाम जाता है। तो गंगा जी की इतनी बड़ी महिमा है।
So this is the glories of Mother Ganges. In many Shastras it is mentioned.
मज्जन पाना हरय पाप पाए विधि पुराण। श्री गंगा जी का नाम उच्चारण करने से
So just by chanting the name of Ganges, all the sinfuls will get away.
और दर्शन
And by darshan, having the darshan of Mother Ganges, even by that, and if you touch, even by that, the sinful activities will get rid. And if you take achaman in Gangas, and if you take bath, all the sinful activities will get rid and go away. Who is telling this? All the scriptures are glorifying in this way about the Mother Ganges. Vaishnavanam Yata Shambhu. Lord Shiva himself accepted Mother Ganges on the head. Why he accepted Mother Ganges on the head? Because Ganges is the Charanamrita of Lord Vishnu. So Lord Shankar, Shiva accepted Ganges in his head.
इतनी बड़ी महिमा है, स्वयं शंकर जी अपने मस्तक पर धारण। तो ये गंगा जी का अवतरण की जो कहते हैं अलग-अलग पुराणों में
So the appearance of Ganges is mentioned in different Puranas in different ways.
बाकी कौन-कौन से पुराणों से सुना है, लेकिन भागवत के कथा के अनुसार
As per the Bhagavad Katha, the appearance of Ganges is like this.
कि जब भगवान वामन
When Lord Vamandev,
बलि महाराज जी के वहाँ गए भिक्षा के लिए,
when he went to Bali Maharaj's place for Bhiksha,
उसी समय
so at that
उन्होंने
time,
बलि महाराज जी को वशीभूत करके बलि महाराज जी को वशीभूत करके उन्होंने त्रिपाद भूमि मांग लिया और उन्होंने एक चरण के द्वारा
so Vamandev asked
वामनदेव
3 steps
जैसे
of
संकल्प किया
land
त्रिपाद
from
भूमि
Bali
लेने
Maharaj,
के लिए, तो
and
बलि महाराज जी
with
जैसे दंडवत
one
प्रणाम
step,
किया तो उसी समय 52 से बन गया त्रिविक्रम। त्रिविक्रम मतलब इतना
so
विशाल
Vaman
स्वरूप हो
grew
गया,
very
बलि महाराज
huge
सोच नहीं
when
पाए
Bali Maharaj
कि
did
छोटे से
pranam to
बालक
the
का
small
कैसा
boy,
हो गया।
and Bali
तो
Maharaj
उनका
could
एक
not
चरण
able to guess
पतल
how
वितल
come
कलात्मक
this
वितल
small
महान
boy
पतल गया
has
और एक
grown
चरण
up like this, and one foot covered all the 7 planetary system down from the earth, and another lotus feet covered the 7 lotus feet above the earth, spiritual planet Brahmalok and many other, and that pierced this Brahmand, and from this pierce there is a waters, the Viraja water, that same water, this Viraja water touched the lotus feet of Lord Vishnu Trivikram and started to flow in Satya Yoga.
श्री विरजा नदी का जल जैसे आया तो ब्रह्मा जी उस जल को
So
कमंडलू
at that time Brahma ji collected the waters in his kamandalu
इनका नाम
and
गंगा जी
name became
पड़ गया।
Ganga,
क्योंकि ये गंगा जी इनको कहा गया पति पावनी, इनका
and
बहुत
this
सारे
Ganges
नाम
is known as Patita Pavani. There are so many names. One of the name is Patita Pavani, Papanashani, Sureshwari,
भागीरथी है,
Bhagirathi.
इनका बहुत सारे नाम।
There are so many names. Shankari.
शंकर जी ने जटा में धारण किया।
Shankari means Lord Shankar has accepted him as in his jata.
सुरेश्वरी है।
Since Ganges lives in heavenly planet also, it is called as Sureshwari. Since Bhagirath Maharaj brought Ganges to the world, it is called Bhagirathi.
उद्धार करने के लिए भगीरथ महाराज
So, to liberate the sons of Sagar Maharaj, Bhagirath Maharaj bought this Ganges.
आए कहाँ?
So first
स्वर्गलोक में।
she came
स्वर्गलोक
from
से
the
होकर
Brahmalok,
आए
and from Brahmalok she came to Swargalok, and from Swargalok she came to Bhulok.
गोमुख में, गोमुख से
From the
होकर
Gomukh
गंगोत्री,
she came to Gangotri. From the Gangotri and she crossed all the forest, huge mountains, and she came to Haridwar, and from here she went to Allahabad, and from Allahabad she went to Navadvip, and from Navadvip she went and joined in Ganga Sagar with the ocean.
बोल श्री गंगा देवी की
Jai.
अभी गंगा जी की आरती
Now Ganga Ji Aarti is happening. We will witness the Aarti. Hare Krishna.
बोल
Dandavat Pranam.
Hare
Hari Hari Bol.
Hare